Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my videos again, my subscriber. Today, in this nice opportunity, in this video, I will discuss about elisions. But before we go to what is that elisions, I would like to tell you about dissimulation. Why I have to talk about dissimulation first? Because these two things are related. Alright, elision just one part from dissimulations. Now what the definition of dissimulation? Dissimulation is phonological process which is in this process when in one word there's two similar sound. It can be consonant or vocal sound, which is there's two similar or same or close sound. That sound is changed into different or maybe erased. That the definition of dissimulations. Now, what is elisions? Alright, elisions actually just one part of dissimulations, and for the other parts I will discuss in the other video. Now, what the definition of the elision? The definition of elision is erasure. I mean the keyword to help you remember the keyword from elision is erasure. Erasure what? When in one word there is same or close sound, that same and close sound will get erased, one of them. To what? To make it easier, to make it simpler, to make it more efficient when we pronounce the words. Now, why? Why elisions can be happen? Of course, I have mentioned before that elision happen because we want to make our pronunciation about the words more easier, more simpler, more efficient. But actually, our brain, when we are speak a lot, when we are speak fastly, our brain and our mouth automatically looking for the most efficient way to pronounce the word. So because that there is elisions when we are speak. Now how elision can be happen. Alright, for explaining how elision can be happen, I will use example. The first example tells I'm happy. Alright, actually am is I am. There is a sound between E and M sound, alright? But because to make it efficient and easier to pronounce, we did elision to a sound, so we pronounce am. We don't pronounce I am, but we pronounce am. I'm happy, I'm handsome, I'm good. And for happy, there is double p sound. Alright? Maybe you have often listened native speaker always pronounce happy. They don't pronounce happy. they pronounce happy than happy. Why? Because there is elision. The elision happen to the p sound after a. So we don't pronounce happy, but we pronounce happy. For what? For make it easier and simple. And there is the other example, let's, his, and she's. For let, actually it's let us. But because it get elision, the u sound get erased, so we just pronounce let's. For example, in a clause, we often say, let's pray together, let's go together, let's do together. Why always there's together after let's and verb? Because actually let's is let us. Alright. And his and she's actually is he is and she is. But because the e sound get elisions, so its pronoun his and she's. For example, in a clause, she's she is working, he is cycling, for example, like that. Now, alright, in this slide, we will do an analysis movie. The movie that we analyze is one part of Peaky Blinders, that series. First, especially at season 1, episode 6. So, let's watch the movie first, right?
Suits. You want to hear something funny?
I'm unarmed.
Curious, Inspector. How you came here to clean up the city? Not to sleep with this horse? You're no different from any other couple that came before you.
I'm no different from those who would follow should I choose to leave.
Oh, you've no reason to stay. You have what you came for.
As I have what I came for. I have a meeting with Mr. Winston Churchill at midday. And no doubt he intends to congratulate me on finding those stolen guns. And you still don't know how we found them, do you? Good.
Oh, you got lucky.
Did I?
Yeah.
One thing I have learned is that you and I are opposites, but also just the same. Like an image in the mirror. We hate people. And they in turn hate us. And fear us. Before the day is over, your heart will be broken. Just the same as mine. Men like us, Mr. Shelby, will always be alone. What love we get, we will have to pay for.
You forget, Inspector. I have my family.
you have already watched the movie before. I mean, the part of the movie before, right? From that movie, I can find there is several words that get elision, such as funny, I am, different, don't know, opposite, mirror, and will. Alright, now let me explain to you one by one. In word funny, we can usually we always pronounce funny, not funny, but actually in the right on the paper, funny right by double N sound. Alright, there are two double N sound, but to make it easier and more efficient, the other N sound the other N sound get elision, so it must be erased. So we pronounce funny, not funny. You are funny, not you are funny. Remember, funny, funny. And there is words am. I think I don't need to explain again. I don't need to re-explain about am because I already explained before. And there is different. In word different, there are double f sound and n and ch sound which in the same place of articulation that's in your alveolar ridge. So when we speak fastly, we often pronouncing different, not different. We can pronouncing different, because of sound in word different get elisions, and also we just at the end of the word we just show n sound, don't need show ch sound because it's make difficult and it's make not efficient. So the pronunciation is different. Alright, and there is don't know. In word don't know, actually these two words, but because you speak fast, it often hear like one word. For example, don't know. Some people pronouncing don't know. It's never mind because the ch sound in word don't get elision to make it efficient. So you mention don't, and n sound in word no just go on like just continue from n sound from word don't. So you pronouncing like don't know when you speak fast. And there is word opposite. Of course, when you speak slowly, you're pronouncing opposite, but when you are speaking fastly, you automatically will pronouncing opposite. This opposite, you are in my opposite, like that. The elision happen to the p sound after o sound. There is two p sound, so we can erase the other p sound. So the pronunciation is opposite. Also, there is word mirror. like in the mirror, right? When we speak slowly, it hear like mirror. You can hear double R sound. But when you speak fastly, you like hear one R sound because the other R sound get elision to make the pronunciation of the word mirror more efficient and easier. And the last, there is words will. Actually, will is will is we will, but we often pronounce will when we speak fastly. We'll go together. We'll go together. We'll eat later. It's same with we will go later. We will go together. It's same because we will and will, the w sound and e sound in the word will get elisions to make the pronunciation from we will more easier and more efficient. Alright, I think just it from me. I think just it what I can explain and what I can analyzing the Peaky Blinders series. I want to apologize if I have some mistake, and the last I want to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.